teach you to make reaching out to change the sky and guarantee that you will learn it as soon as you learn it. First, save this material to the album. If you can't save it, you can find it directly in the software. I uploaded it in the VideoAE material library. Then record a video of reaching out like I did. Start production. Open VideoAE. First, import the recorded video of reaching out to the production page of VideoAE. Preview the video and play it temporarily at the moment when you reach out. Add a new layer. Select the Starry Sky video material we saved in the album. After adding it, find the Blend button in the Tools in the lower left corner, and choose one that looks more natural to blend with the video effect. After adding it, find the Mask button at the bottom of the toolbar. Add a square mask and adjust the size of the mask to be as big as the sky. If it is difficult to operate, you can click Adjust to adjust specific values, such as rotation, movement, etc. At this time, the edge is still relatively stiff, so we still need to click Properties. Enter the page and click the button of the pen behind feather and determine an appropriate value according to the change of the upper edge of the modified value. Such a special effect of reaching out to change the sky is finished. Of course, we still need to delete the redundant material. Pull the time needle to the end of the material and then select the Starry Sky material layer. Find the Partition button in Tools. Click to divide the redundant video material and then delete it. Just drop it. Generate a preview to see the effect. Let's try it together.